let us set now our environment of work. First of all, you will need to go to codeigniter. You write in your browser codeigniter, and you will have this link. You click on it and you will have a lot of information about codeigniter, and of course you can read it if you have time or not, but our interest one is here on download. You click on download on the top right, then you can see here we have codeigniter 4, codeigniter 3, and of course those two different versions, they have different PHP version, and for my interest I will prefer to use the newest codeigniter version, which is 4 point something. Now I'll click on download on 4 and I'll be redirected to that link, and to download me codeigniter framework 4.4.3-0.zip. And of course, after downloading it, you can double click on the file and it will unzip it if you are using WAMP, if you are using Mac, and if you are using Windows, you will have to unzip it using any different software of unzipping of folders, or maybe you can, if you are using Linux, you can opt to use it in terminal. After unzipping your codeigniter, you will have just to copy it and you pass it somewhere. But of course, before we going there, let us come back and I show you. After that, we will need a server to run our codeigniter tool, and you will have to download XAMPP. For you can just write even download XAMPP or WAMP or even MAMP. Then from Apache Friends, you click on it, and for our case, I will advise different person to use XAMPP with PHP 7.4, because with PHP 7.4 it is a stable version than to use 8 or even above. And here I will choose according to your operating system. As you can see here, we have Mac, we have Linux, and we have Windows. Then after that, you will just click on download and it will pop you the download instead of the installer. For me, I will just come here on Mac OS, then I will click on download 64-bit. Then I click on it, and of course it will direct me to that website, which is SourceForge, for downloading the XAMPP installer.dmg with that version. And because I have it already, no need to continue the download. I will just cancel it, and for you will have to wait it to finish. After installing downloading XAMPP, you will have to download, if you don't have a tool, of course, VS Code. VS Code is an IDE which can help you to develop using different languages, and it is a really fast one and the easiest one to use. And for VS Code, of course, is the same. You will write VS Code on your browser, then you click on download, then to pop up you different operating system, and you choose yours. And of course, for my case, I will choose this one, and you can choose RPM, Deb, or Windows according to your operating system. Then after that, you will be good to go. Hey, of course, before I forgot, you will have again to download admin LTE for designing, a fast designing. You will click on the first link or download the dashboard or anything, but let us click on the first link. Then you can see here we have different, like, overview. You can pay for it. It is a payable one. You can pay for it, or for my case, I just downloaded a free or testing version. Just you will click on download. Then after clicking on download, they will pop up you different versions, and of course I used the last one, which is currently 3.2.0. Then after that, you will click just on source, code.zip or source code.tar.gz. Then for our case, I just clicked on this one, then the download is launched. After clicking on that one, the download is launched, and you can find your download in download documents. Thank you very much, and let us continue after. Then of course I will have to stop this one because I have it already on my machine. See you and happy learning.